Welcome to Creative Math Academy. Today we try to solve some question from quadratic inequalities. So question A, x squared plus 5x minus 14 equals to 0. At first, we try to solve this like a equation. X squared plus 5x minus 14 equals to 0. We will do the factorization here. X squared. So if you want to do factorization, we have to split this 5x into two factors whose addition or subtraction must be plus 5x, and both of these factor multiplication must be same as the multiplication of x squared and minus 14. So 14, if we divide this by 2, you will get 7. So instead of 5x, if we write here plus 7x minus 2x minus 14 equals to 0. You check, plus 7x minus 2x, you will get here 5x plus 5x, which is here. And 7x minus 2x, their product will be minus 14x squared. So our factorization, this part is okay. If we, by mistake, write here minus 7x plus 2x, what will happen? We will get here minus 5x. Though their product is minus 14x squared. So we will not choose this one. So now take common x. If we take common x, here will be x plus 7. If we take common minus 2, it is x. When you take common minus, the internal sign will be changed. It was minus, now it will be plus. From 14, if we take 2 common, it is 7 here, equals to 0. Now, x plus 7 into x minus 2 equals to 0. If two factor product equals to 0, we can write here x plus 7 equals to 0. Or x minus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, x equals to minus 7 and x equals to 2. Now, we want to sketch this curve. We want to sketch this curve because we want to find out the inequalities. If we sketch this curve will be U-shape. Why U-shape? If x square coefficient is positive, here x square coefficient is 1. So keep in mind, when x square coefficient is positive, the curve will be U-shaped. When x square coefficient is negative, curve will be cap-shaped. So we will sketch this curve. This curve passes through minus 7. In x-axis minus 7 and 2. This curve will be U-shaped. This is the curve. What do we want? We want where curve is less than 0. In x-axis, under the x-axis, which part of the curve lies, that one is less than 0 or negative. That means curve is negative here. From x value minus 7 to plus 2, the curve is less than 0. We want this. So we have to write x greater than minus 7 or less than 2. Within this interval, curve is less than 0. So this is the solution. Keep in mind, this is curve passes through minus 7 and 2. So we want where the curve is negative or less than 0. So we have to write here x greater than minus 7 from minus 7 when it's going the right side and less than 2 when it's coming the left side. Within this interval, the curve is less than 0. So A number answer is correct. And it was x greater than minus 7 and less than 2. Now, B number question. B number is x squared plus x minus 6 greater than equals to 0. So, like the previous one, we want to solve like equation x squared plus x minus 6 equals to 0. If we do factorization, we'll get here x squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 equals to 0, because plus 3x minus 2x, both of their subtraction will get here plus x. And both of this product is same as the product of minus 6 and x squared. Now take common x, it will be x plus 3. When we take common minus 2, it is also x plus 3 equals to 0. Now x plus 3 into x minus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, x equals to minus 3, x equals to 2. Now we want to sketch this curve. Definitely the curve is U-shaped, and this curve passes through minus 3 and plus 2. The shape of this curve will be like this. What do we want? We want where the curve is positive. That means this part is positive. That part is positive. That means we can write when x value less than equals to minus 3. When x value from here is going the left side, it means less than equals to minus 3. Here the curve is positive. Or x greater than equals to 2. When x value 2 or greater than 2, the curve is positive. So this is discontinuous. Try to understand very carefully. The curve is U-shaped, and when x value from minus 3 is less than, the curve is positive, which we want. Or when x value 2 or greater than equals to 2, the curve is positive. So this is the answer of question number 2. So how we do these things? At first we do the factorization. We found where the curve passes through x-axis. After that we sketch this curve. And final decision, we want where curve is positive. When x value minus 3, from minus 3, when it's go left side, it's indicate x less than equals to minus 3, the curve is positive. Or when x value 2 greater than equals to 2, from 2, when it's going the right side, the curve is positive. See, when x value 3, curve is positive. When x value 4, curve is positive. That's why we write here x greater than equals to 2. Now question number B completed. Now question number C. X squared minus 9x plus 20 less than equals to 0. So like the previous maths, we want to solve this equation. So if we split this minus 9x, it will be minus 5x minus 4x plus 20 equals to 0. Now check both of these addition. If both are same sign, they are addition. Both of this addition is minus 9x, and both of this product will be plus 20x squared. The same as the product of 20 and x squared. Now, we have to take common x. So it will be x minus 5. If you take common minus 4, it is x. The internal sign will be changed. Previously it was plus, now it will be minus 5 equals to 0. Now x minus 5, x minus 4 equals to 0. Therefore, x minus 5 equals to 0 or x minus 4 equals to 0. So x equals to 5 or x equals to 4. So if we sketch this curve, curve passes through 4 and 5. Definitely curve is U-shaped. What we want? We want where the curve is less than 0. Less than equals to 0. That means this part. So we can write when x greater than equals to 4, or less than equals to 5, the curve is less than 0. So this is the answer. Now C number completed. Now D, x squared plus 2x minus 48 greater than 0. So do the factorization. X squared plus 8x minus 6x minus 48 equals to 0. Now take x common, so x plus 8. Now take minus 6 common, x plus 8 equals to 0. So x plus 8 into x minus 6 equals to 0. Therefore, x plus 8 equals to 0, or x minus 6 equals to 0. Now, finally, we get here x equals to minus 8 or x equals to 6. We want to find out where the curve is positive. Greater than 0 means when curve is positive. So this is one method. You have to sketch this curve. This curve is minus 8 and 6. It is U-shaped. And the curve is positive. That means this part. This part is positive. This part is positive. So we can write here when x less than minus 8. Less than equals to minus 8. When it starts from minus 8 and it's going the left side, curve start as a positive. Or when x greater than equals to 6. No, we have to write here only less, not equal sign, because here they didn't want us the equal sign, because it's given only greater. So we just write here x less than minus 8 or x greater than 6. Question number D completed. Now question F, E number, 2x squared minus x minus 15 less than equals to 0. We have to write here 2x squared minus x minus 15 equals to 0. Now we try to do factorization. So we'll write here 2x squared minus 6x plus 5x minus 15 equals to 0. Now take 2x common, so it will be x minus 3. Take 5 common, it is x minus 3 equals to 0. Therefore, x minus 3, 2x plus 5 equals to 0. So we'll get here x equals to 3 or x equals to minus 5 by 2. So if we sketch this curve, it will passes through minus 5 by 2 and 3. Obviously, curve is U-shaped because here x square coefficient is positive. Now, what we want? Where curve is less than 0, that is this part. So we have to write x greater than equals to minus 5 by 2 and less than equals to 3. Within this interval, the curve is less than 0 or negative. Now, the last one, F number, we want to do F number, 5x squared plus 9x plus 4 greater than 0. So 5x squared plus 9x plus 4 equals to 0. We have to write here 5x squared, 5x plus 4x plus 4 equals to 0. Take 5x common, so x plus 1. Take 4 common, x plus 1 equals to 0. So x plus 1 into 5x plus 4 equals to 0. Therefore, x equals to minus 1, x equals to minus 4 by 5. We want where the curve is positive. Now we want to sketch this curve. This is passes through -1 and -4/5. Obviously, curve is U-shaped. What we want where curve is positive. So here, when x value less than -1, when x value from -1 is go in the left side, less than is left side, the curve start to be positive. Or when x value greater than -4/5, that means -0.8, curve start to be a positive. So I hope everybody understood this maths. Step by step, try to understand this. First I find out the factorization, I sketch this curve, then the final part, which part you want, where, for what values of x the curve is positive or negative, with respect to this curve, try to decide your decision. Thank you everybody for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.